Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Learned Senior Counsel has submitted that the report submitted by the handwriting expert has been accepted, and as per that report, Exhibit 8 was not a genuine document. Stop. The handwriting expert clearly opined that it was a built up document. Stop. At the time of his examination in chief before this court, he has assigned reasons as to why he opined that it was a build up document, and that opinion has not been shaken in any manner, and therefore the plaintiff cannot take advantage of the document Exhibit 8 to prove his case. Stop. It was also argued by learned senior counsel that the plaintiff instituted criminal prosecution against the defendant under section 138 of NI Act in respect of the check which was marked as Exhibit 1, and the plaintiff has failed to prove before the criminal court that the check was issued by the defendant, and so on the basis of that check the present suit of the plaintiff cannot stand. Stop. Para. According to learned senior counsel, the entire case of the plaintiff was based on Exhibit 1 and Exhibit 8. Stop. While both the documents were doubtful, the trial court would disbelieve those documents and would dismiss the suit. Stop. It was further argued by learned senior counsel that according to the plaintiff the amount of rupees 6,25,000 was advanced on 10/1/2008, and another amount of rupees 7,25,000 was advanced on 28/2/2008, but no document was executed on the date of making payment of those alleged amounts. Stop. Exhibit 8 was bound to be termed as a doubtful document since it was executed on 26/8/2008 with a promise that the amount should be paid within 6 months from 28/2/2008. Stop. The contents of the documents itself was doubtful, and it might be a build-up document as observed by the handwriting expert. Stop. The learned senior counsel further submitted that according to the plaintiff, money receipt was issued by the defendant on 26/8/2008, and the check was issued on 27/3/2009. Stop. So the money receipt was superseded by the subsequent check, and while the plaintiff already failed to prove his case before the criminal court about the check, he cannot now raise the claim based on Exhibit 8. Stop. The learned senior counsel also submitted that the finding of the trial court was self-contradictory and was not tenable in law. Stop. This court rightly obtained expert opinion on the document, and in view of the expert opinion, the suit of the plaintiff is liable to be dismissed, and hence the appeal may be allowed and judgment and decree be set aside. Stop. On the other hand, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, learned senior counsel has submitted that handwriting expert was specifically asked by this court only to give opinion as to whether the alleged signature of the defendant in Exhibit 8 tallies with his other admitted signatures on record. Stop. No other question was referred to the handwriting expert. Stop. So the opinion of the handwriting expert in respect of the contents of the documents was uncalled for opinion, and cannot be acted upon. Stop. He has also argued that the handwriting expert opined that the signature in Exhibit 8 was the signature of the defendant, which corroborates the pleadings and evidence adduced by the plaintiff. Stop. Over.